Hello, Bebecitas, and welcome to this beautiful channel. My name is Luz, and today we're going to be doing the base box for August 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. The theme for this month is glamping, and here are all the goodies that I received this month. The variation that I got in the mail is number 9. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting off, the first thing that caught my eye is this Mind Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. This is a serum that instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-released multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. When I first saw this, I thought it was going to be a self-tanner, and I'm not much of a self-tanning gal, so I thought it was going to be something I'm not going to use. But it's actually more of a nighttime serum with the pump, and I'm excited to use it. The following item is a choice item, and it's the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. This I got in the shade Sand, and I'm glad I was able to choose the shade for this concealer. I didn't want anything too light or anything too dark, so I'm glad we have the option of choosing a shade. I normally would go for something a little bit lighter, but I think it will do just fine because I have another concealer that I can lighten this up with. I've heard great things about this, that it's a pretty good coverage, and most of all that it's very hydrating and not super dry. And this is more of a natural finish concealer that is loaded with pigments and provides maximum coverage with an undetectable finish. For a look so flawless, still think you're born this way. The next item is the Rockins Cosmetic Big Fat Liner. This is a felt tip liner that has a very fat tip, as the name says. And this says you can be as bold as you want, get creative, and experiment with different shapes. The only thing I will say is that we got a eyeliner last month. Now, I'm trying to remember if it was from the premium or the base box last month, but this is too many eyeliners for just one person to go through. If you are a beginner and like super thin eyeliner, this is probably not the eyeliner for you. But if you do like more of a thick eyeliner, or if you can maneuver the big fat felt tip to make a thin stroke, then you could be benefiting from this. Now, the next item is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. This is a 10 eyeshadow pan. Pure Bliss provided all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. So the first row is like more neutral, warm tone colors, like more of your everyday type of colors, and then the bottom row has the pops of color to create more colorful looks. And we have gotten the Violet Voss Essentials 1 palette before, and now this is the second one. I'm really looking forward to using it. As you can see, these shades are really beautiful. The pigment is alright, and Violet Voss usually has really good pigment, so I'm excited to play with this. And look at those purples. Those are just screaming out my name. They're calling to me with the passion, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to playing with these colors. The last item in the box is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. This is Clarins' best-selling natural lip perfector. Go bold with the new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with the soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. I got mine in the shade 02 Velvet Rosewood. I think it's a beautiful shade. It complements my skin tone very beautifully, and it looks just like in the tube. I was really surprised to find it actually looked like the tube. And the consistency is very lightweight, very moussey. I thought it was going to come in like a wand applicator, so I was surprised it was in a little push or like more of a cushion tip applicator. But I think it will be a little bit difficult to get precision with this type of applicator, but nonetheless we can always just clean it up with concealer and we'll be good to go. And that is everything that I got in this month's Boxycharm. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and stay blessed. Bye!